Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you are watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Saturday, 26 March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karat gold without VAT price is 236.43 and with VAT is 27.89. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price is without VAT 217.04 and with VAT is 249.60. For 24 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 206.88 and with VAT is 237.91. For 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 177.32 and with VAT is 203.92. For 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 138.31 and with VAT is 159.06. For 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 98.59 and with VAT is 113.38. Last but not the least, for 6 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 59.11 and with VAT is 67.98. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please press the like button and do share this video with your friends so that everyone gets updated. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.